Hello English learners, welcome back to another video. Today I have a little bit more grammar for you. And it's a very simple one today, but remember, simple doesn't always mean easy. So it might not be easy, but it is simple. So I want to talk about similes. It always looks like smile, but it's a simile, so maybe they make you smile. In a previous video, I spoke about metaphors and how metaphors compare two things to say something is something else. A simile is a bit different because a simile talks about how something is like something else. It's similar, simile. See that connection? So to make a simile, we use the word like or as. I'll give you some examples. Your hair shines bright like the sun. So here I'm comparing your bright hair to the bright sun. It's a very nice way to compliment someone. Your skin is as red as a tomato. So maybe you're very embarrassed, your skin goes red, and we can use as. It's as red as. So we say as, adjective, as, noun. As red as a tomato. And that's really all we're looking at today. Very, very simple rule. So let's do some more examples. If I want to say someone is very smart, maybe I want to compare you to Einstein. How can we do that? Have a think about what we could say. We might want to say, you are as smart as Einstein. You're as smart as Einstein. You're the same level of intelligence. That's amazing. Or how about maybe you think I'm very annoying. And you know what else is annoying? A tiny puppy that is always barking. So what could you say to compare me to that annoying little puppy? Maybe you could say, Michael, you are annoying like a puppy. So that's a very simple sentence. Many similes have become so common, they've become like expressions or idioms, so they're used very often. And these are good to learn as well, so you can use them in your English. One example of these would be as cold as ice. So something is so cold, it's like ice. So of course, we can talk about anything, the weather, my coffee is as cold as ice. But often we use it to talk about someone's character. So if I said, your heart is as cold as ice, that means you're a really, really horrible person. You don't care about people. You don't have any empathy for other people. You're as cold as ice. Or perhaps you are as busy as a bee. As busy as a bee. This has that nice alliteration, the b alliteration. But also I think bees are quite busy. So when we call someone busy, in English, we say, you're as busy as a bee, always working. Finally, kind of a funny one, we could say, you are as deaf as a post. Can you work out what this one means? To be deaf is to be unable to hear, when you can't hear things. And a post is just like a wooden post, like a fence post. So of course fence posts cannot hear you. They kind of stand there as if because they can't do anything. So you're comparing someone who isn't listening to you or maybe has bad hearing to a fence post. Obviously, it's a little bit insulting, so only use it with your friends. But if your friends always say, what? What? Pardon? You can say, oh, you're as deaf as a post. But let me know what you come up with. So think about what similes you could make. And let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thank you very much for watching this short grammar video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.